Here is a list of equipment needed for a driver unit replacement. We recommend purchasing genuine Tackwise parts to avoid tool malfunction. Always ensure you take the necessary safety precautions before starting. We recommend wearing safety goggles, gloves, and facing the tool away from your face at all times. Always disconnect the tool from the airline and make sure all fasteners have been removed before making any repairs. Begin by removing the top cap with your large spanner. Tap on a wooden block or hard surface to remove the cylinder, driver guide, bumper and driver unit. Replace the driver unit with a new one. Assemble an O-ring if needed and lightly oil. Reassemble the driver unit into the cylinder. Reassemble the bumper after carefully inspecting it for wear and tear. If you see any signs of damage such as tears or cracks, replace the bumper as this may cause the tool to malfunction. Reassemble the driver guide. Use your finger to carefully guide the cylinder and connected parts back into the main body of the tool, ensuring the grooves on the leg of the driver unit face the back of the tool. Reassemble the top cap and tighten with the large spanner. Always test the tool before use to ensure the trigger mechanism works in accordance with the manual.